In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cancel a Squarespace subscription. Now, to be able to do this, what we need to do is locate the website where we have our subscription that we want to cancel. So in my case, I'm just going to go with this one right here, which is Digital Growth Agency. And to be able to cancel this website, what we need to do is make sure we're on the dashboard screen, make sure we have our website that we want to cancel, and we want to go over to the three dots on the right-hand side, click on that, and we want to come down to where it says billing. From here, you need to select subscriptions, and then from here, you need to go down to where it says website. And then you have a couple of options. Number one, if you just want it to renew automatically, you can leave this on. Or if you wanted it just to run out at the end of its billing period, you can select that to be off. Or if you wanted to go ahead and cancel the subscription straight away, you can click on this red cancel subscription button right here, select your reason, go over to where it says next, fill in all of these kind of pointless questions really. It will then remind you about the different domains that you have on this subscription, that these won't get cancelled until these certain dates. But once you're happy with that, you click next again. And then when you're ready, it'll tell you if you get a refund. Normally this only happens if you cancel it within 14 days or something like that. But when you're ready to confirm your cancellation, you just click on this button right here and it will confirm your cancellation. Hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next one.